Hello everybody, welcome back to Financeable. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to sign into Discover Bank. So if you are willing to sign into Discover Bank but don't know how to, then this video is for you. I hope this video is helpful for you. So to get started, first of all, head over to your Google Chrome browser and in the search box type in discoverbank.com and hit the enter. And you will be appear with this screen interface. Now from the appeared screen, click on the login option which is appeared on the top right corner. So in order to sign in, first of all you have to add your user ID. Simply add a user ID and a password. You can also click on remember me if you wanna save your password for future or if you wanna save your password the next time you log in. And you can also click on forget user ID or password if you have forgotten your password or user ID. That will help you reset your password. And if you haven't registered your account on Discover Bank, then you can also click on register now and sign up for Discover Bank. So once you have added your user ID and password, simply tap on login and you will be successfully able to log in for Discover Bank. That is how easily you can sign in to Discover Bank. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.